Okay, today we are going to talk about a chandelier lift. Okay, so here is a chandelier lift or hoist. It is basically an electric winch that raises and lowers a chandelier to clean it, to replace light bulbs, or to replace it. And you have two separate electric circuits here, one for the motor and one for the light itself. That's why there's two switches. And it mounts to some unistrut. The unistrut mounts to some structure up in the ceiling. So like up in the attic, for example. And there's contact plates. There's one up at the J box, and there's one contact plate down by the pendant light. And the way that works is when the light fixture is all the way retracted up to the ceiling, those contact plates make contact and the light will turn on. Looks like this. However, when you turn the key switch on the wall, and the key switch is for security so people don't mess with this, and you lower the pendant light or chandelier all the way down to clean it or replace light bulbs, those two contact plates separate, obviously, and that kills the power to the light fixture. And once you're done, and you've cleaned your bulbs, replaced your bulbs, retract it back up, and the light will turn back on. These range in price anywhere from several $100s to a few $1,000s. I want to tell you about a Practical Facilities Maintenance Handbook available in ebook and paperback format, now on Amazon. It has common facilities documents, signage, tags, resource and reference material, as well as shop equipment drawings that you can use to fabricate equipment for your facility. The link for this book is in the video description below. And if you need hats, coffee cups, shirts, mugs for your facilities maintenance technicians or your staff, there is a link in the video description below for this facilities maintenance website where you can buy all these stickers and products you see here. I hope this information helps you. Please like, share, subscribe, leave me a comment, and thanks for watching.